Manipulators don't fear your anger, they fear your self-respect. Because the moment you respect yourself, you stop being controllable. Watch carefully. Here are the signs. Your self-respect terrifies the wrong people. 1. Your boundaries scare them. When you say no without guilt, they panic. Manipulators hate people who don't explain themselves. Your calm boundary is louder than their arguments. Self-respect teaches you this. Your time is not a free gift. People who can't use you will always call you difficult. 2. Your silence exposes them. You don't react. You observe and thatrates them. Your silence shows them their words have no power. They fear the person who doesn't terminally break. Calmness confuses people who expect chaos. Silence is the language of this. 3. You don't chase, you choose. Manipulators lose control the moment you stop chasing validation. Self-respect means you don't beg for attention. If someone pulls away, you don't cling. You close the door. You're not afraid to walk away. And thoughtifies them. People can't play games with someone who ain't playing. For you see through their tactics. You notice patterns, not promises. You're no longer impressed by sweet words, only consistent behavior. Manipulators fear the person who thinks deeply before reacting. Once you see their pattern, they say their pattern. Your awareness is their biggest weakness. 5. You don't break under pressure. Your emotions are yours. No one can twist them anymore. You stay calm when they try to provoke you. That scares them. When you stop absorbing negativity, you become untouchable. They can't control a mind that is self-disciplined. Strength is quiet, and that's why they fear it. 6. You know when to walk away. Leaving at the right time is the highest form of self. You don't fight for people who make you feel unworthy. Manipulators fear the moment you decide they are done. You don't lose people. You release them. Your peace matters more than their presence. 7. You are unavailable for drama. You don't entertain insults. You don't match their disrespect. Your eyes above it. Your self-respect is the one thing they can't manipulate. Remember, true self-respect is silent, but it changes the entire energy and theorem. People don't fear losing you. They fear losing access to you when you finally respect yourself. Protect your peace, guard your energy, and never shrink yourself to make anyone comfortable. If this gave you strength today, don't keep it inside. Subscribe to Mindful Ways, where your confidence gets sharper, your mind gets calmer, and your self-respect becomes unshakable.